Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this berry burst design. If you like nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean, dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm actually using Orly Bonder, which is a sticky base coat, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. So for my base color today, I'm going to be using Sally Hansen Pep-Plum, which is kind of a berry shade. Then for the burst on top, I'm going to be using Is It Love or Luster and Good as Gold. And both of these are from Color Club's Halo Chrome collection. If you're a messy painter like me, you can go up and clean up a little around the edges. Then I have a plastic lid here that I'm going to use as my palette. I'm going to get some of the pink out on there and add more as needed. And I have my medium-sized thin striper brush here. It's almost invisible. There you go. And I'm going to load that up with polish and start drawing bursts on each of my nails. I'm going to do all the pink, and then I'm going to come back and do all of the gold. Once you've added the pink stripes on each nail, go ahead and do the same thing with the gold. I'm going to be applying the gold in between the pink, and as a note, I am cleaning off my striping brush as needed in some acetone. To finish off this manicure, I'm going to be using a single kind of fuchsia rhinestone right in the center of each nail. And I'm trying something today that I don't usually recommend, and that is that I'm going to be applying them over my top coat. Usually I will use something else to stick the rhinestone and then apply top coat over them, but I'd like to kind of try to maintain the facets on the rhinestone. When you top coat over them, they kind of turn into little just rounded domes, little cabochons. So I'm going to be applying my top coat to each nail like normal. Nice, wonderful sèche vite. Wrapping my tips, and then while that's still wet, I'm going to pick up a rhinestone and apply it right in the middle. And then I'm going to just press that down so it goes kind of like into the top coat and into the polish. and I'm gonna hope that that stays on there. And so yeah, I'm gonna repeat that for all my nails. So here's the finished design, and I really love how you can still see all the facets in the rhinestone. That's the main reason that I applied it on top of the top coat rather than using like a nail glue to adhere it and then top coating over the rhinestone. That kind of loses most of the facets. You end up with just kind of a little round dome. And I'm kind of concerned about how it'll wear, but I'll just see over the next few days how it turns out. This was kind of a long process to get to this design. I started out testing a few other ideas during my live stream, and if you're interested to see that testing as well as the extended tutorial, my stream will be uploaded here on YouTube tomorrow on Monday. It's also, of course, available right now as a VOD on my Twitch channel if you want to check it out there. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this design down in the comments. If you've tried applying rhinestone over the top coat, or if you just give in and top coat over them for the sake of longevity. I know gel top coat is also a favorite of many people, but I just didn't feel like messing around with that today. But I hope you all enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.